It is very annoying when you are talking to someone on Instagram and you want to see the earlier messages, but they are not loading. This problem occurs for several reasons. I will tell you all those reasons. The person you were talking to may have turned on disappearing messages, due to which you cannot see the earlier messages. Or the same person has restricted you from messages due to which you cannot see the earlier messages. Also, you may have turned on data saver mode on your Instagram, due to which you may be having difficulty loading the earlier messages. First, go to your profile and click on the menu option at the top. Then scroll down and click on the data usage and media quality option. Next, check if the data saver mode is on or not. If it is on, then turn it off. If all these reasons are not working, then you go to your phone settings. Then click on the apps option. Then go to the Instagram app. Then click on the storage option and select the clear cache option. And then select the force stop option. I hope after doing this, you will be able to see the earlier messages of Instagram. If you like the video, then definitely like it and subscribe to the channel.